Hello students, today we are going to do light lesson from class 8 revision. The first question is, why can't we see things in dark? చీకట్లో మనం వస్తువుల్ని ఎందుకు చూడలేం? Answer: we cannot see objects in the dark because light is needed to see objects. Question 2. How do we see things? Look at the picture. Source of light, object, and our eyes. Light from sun is falling on the flower. This light is getting reflected. This reflected light is falling on our eyes. So, we can see the objects. When light falls on an object, it gets reflected. When reflected light falls on our eyes, we see things. Question 3. What is lateral inversion? Look at this picture. The boy is raising his hand, left hand. But in the mirror, it is showing that the boy is raising right hand. Answer: images formed on mirrors, left side appears right and right side appears left. This is called as lateral inversion. Question number 4. What is the number of images if the angle between two plane mirrors is 60 degrees? Answer: number of images formed on a plane mirror. What is the formula? 360 by theta minus 1. Here theta is the angle. 360 by angle is 60. So 360 by 60 minus 1. When we simplify, it comes to 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. So number of images formed when the angle between two plane mirrors is 60 is 5 images. Fifth question. What is the sensory part in the eye? Answer: retina is a sensory part. Retina is a sensory part in an eye. Sixth question. What controls the amount of light entering eye? Answer: iris controls the size of the pupil and the amount of light entering the eye. What is blind spot? Observe this picture. Here optical nerve is starting. Here you will not find any retina. This position is called as blind spot. At the junction of optic nerve and retina, there are no sensory cells. So no vision is possible at that spot. This spot is called as blind spot. What are the common defects of eye? Defects means problems. First question. Hypermetropia, farsightedness. Some persons can see objects close to them clearly, but cannot see distant objects so clearly. This is called as farsightedness. The second, myopia, short-sightedness. Some persons cannot see objects nearby clearly, but they can see distant objects quite well. With suitable corrective lenses like concave and convex lenses, these defects of the eye can be corrected. Seventh question. 3 laws of reflection. First law. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Second law, incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie on the same plane. Third law, incident ray, reflected ray lie on either side of normal. Eighth question, what is a regular reflection? Answer, look at the diagram. These are incident rays and they are reflected. These are reflected rays. When light rays fall on smooth surface, they are reflected in the same angle. This is called as regular reflection. For this question, you need to draw this diagram also. Ninth question, what is a diffuse reflection? Look at this picture. Here the surface is rough. These incident rays are not getting reflected in same angle. When light rays fall on rough surface, they are not reflected in the same angle. This is called as irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. For this question, you need to draw the diagram. 10th question, what are the types of cells present in the retina? Answer, there are two kinds of cells. First one, cones, which are sensitive to bright light and cone sense color. Second type of cells are rod cells, which are sensitive to dim light. 11th question, draw a neat label diagram of image formed on a plane mirror. So, this is the image with suitable labeling. You need to practice. 12th question, explain the process of making a kaleidoscope. Look at the picture. These are long plane mirrors. This is a circular paper tube or plastic tube. One side will keep an opaque surface with a small hole. The other side we'll put a glass. To make a kaleidoscope, get 3 rectangular mirror strips, each about 15 cm long and 4 cm wide. Join them together to form a prism. Fix this arrangement of mirrors in a circular cardboard or tube with thick chart paper. 4. Make sure that the tube is slightly longer than the mirror strips. Close one end of the tube by a cardboard disc having a hole in the center, like this, through which we can see. To make the disc durable, paste a piece of transparent plastic sheet under the cardboard disc. At the other end, touching the mirrors, fix a circular plane glass plate. This one. Place on this glass plate several small pieces of colored glass like broken pieces of colored bangles. 9. Close this end of the tube by a glass plate. Allow enough space for the color pieces to move around. Your kaleidoscope is ready. Thirteenth question. Explain the activity to show that sunlight has 7 colors. So observe the picture. This is a bowl with water and this is a plane mirror. And this is a screen. Get a plane mirror of suitable size, place it in a bowl, fill the bowl with water. Put this arrangement near a window in such a way that the direct sunlight falls on the mirror. Adjust the position of the bowl so that the reflected light from the mirror falls on the wall. If the wall is not white, fix a sheet of white paper on it. Reflected light will be seen to have many colors. The mirror and water form a prism. This breaks up light into 7 colors. Splitting of light into its colors is known as dispersion of light. Rainbow is a natural phenomenon showing dispersion. 14th question. Draw a neat label diagram of human eye and explain its structure. So here is the diagram of structure of eye. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe the channel.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.